Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on the Binance US app. First, download the Binance US app from your device's app store. Next, you'll need to create an account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. This ensures your account is secure and compliant. Finally, link a payment method such as a bank account or a debit card to fund your purchases easily. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. Open the Binance US app and go to the Wallet section. From there, select Deposit and choose the currency you wish to deposit, like US dollars. Enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. Funds typically appear within a few business days, depending on your chosen method. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Head to the Trade tab within the app and search for Bitcoin, often listed as BTC. Select the Buy option and choose your preferred order type, such as a market order for instant purchase. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy and carefully review all the purchase details before confirming. After confirming your order, your Bitcoin will appear in your wallet almost instantly. You can then view your new balance in the Wallet section. For enhanced security, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.